She likes to create art. Create.
Kevin creates beautiful jewelry. Create. Creates.
The performance you watched.
The commercial. I was talking.
The museum added a huge gold sculpture to their collection. Everyone wants to see it, so the museum is even more crowded than it usually is.
The sculpture she made.
I saw a man who looked like he was a sculpture. He was painted silver and didn't move. Then a song began to play, and he started dancing.
He's not interested in culture or music.
Alex is an unusual artist. He uses flowers to make pictures of people's faces. People pay a lot of money for what he creates.
Which actor gave the best performance?
Which actor had the best performance?
Please don't play the drums so loudly. Lonely. Loudly.
Performs. Performer. Perform. Performer.
The man behind me was singing loudly. Loudly.
Meeting that celebrity was an exciting experience. We took a selfie, and she called my mom to say hi. My mom was so surprised and happy. Performers. Perform.
That concert was amazing. The musicians were excellent, and I loved all the songs. It was such a great experience. I want to go again.
The musicians were playing too loudly in the first act. I couldn't hear what the actors were saying. The actors seemed angry, too.
performer, perform,
performer, performs, performers, perform.